C-Slide is open and has been in full production during the pandemic. In order to help those working from home, we have made several work-from-home kits. These kits combine our best products to keep you and your devices secure and to make working from home a little easier. The Work From Home 2-pack combines a data blocker and a webcam cover. Our 3-pack combines a data blocker, webcam cover, and microphone blocker. The 4-pack has a cable organizer, data blocker, webcam cover, and a microphone blocker. We also have a charging kit which combines a 3-port charging block with a multi-device charger/data blocker. While working from home, we know how important it is to have that peace of mind that you and your work are safe and secure and you can be productive while working from home. We are grateful for your business here at C-Slide. Stay safe and we look forward to working with you.